I grew up in the construction industry. My father and my grandparents, they were all in the construction industry. So I grew up kind of running around construction sites, seeing all this stuff. And once I decided I wanted to become an architect, it was an interesting transition. And I really wanted to get into the construction industry to really learn that side of it before I really stepped into architecture. And it was really difficult because I was very young at the time. I was one of the only women, if not the only woman, on the construction site. And I didn't get to have the hands-on experience I really hoped for. And at the time, I didn't have the experience or the leadership skills I currently have to kind of step forward and really demand that I get these experiences and ask for people to help me understand these things. And since then, I've grown so much. I've been in all-women firms, I've been in all-male firms. I have done so many things with the AIA that has helped my leadership skills exponentially and really bring me out of a shell that has let me know that I can take a stand, I can use my voice, and I can have a place in a room where even in the architecture industry is still predominantly male. And I feel more now that I am an important part of the voices that are rising to kind of make this profession what it needs to be for the future.